Okay, Lue, take your things and leave this land. I already told you that I want to cultivate this season.
Why do you speak of the impossible? You will tell a man to walk out of his possession, the land that was given to him by his father as an inheritance. How do you think it's possible? How?
I am your elder brother, so I have the right to any of our father's properties.
This is not our father's properties or property. I don't care. This is my land, and you cannot take it from me. Never. It's not done.
So you want to start a fight you cannot win. Mbo, you want to start a fight you cannot win. You dare a tiger. Huh? You want to dare a tiger?
You cannot threaten me, Obumneme. I am not a coward. And nobody will take what belongs to me in this land while I still breathe. This land was given to me by our father in your presence. And you cannot and you will never take it from me no matter what you do.
Okay, Lue, a child that wants to grow long tooth should be ready to grow big lips to cover them. Yes. You should be ready to fight the spirits. I hope you are.
You are no spirit, Obumneme. The same womb we were given life, and we both shall return to the earth. Obumneme, I do not fear you.
Okay. Then I shall show you that some humans are stronger than spirits. I'll show you. I'll show you.
What is it? What troubles you so deeply?
I never fail to get whatever I want in this land. I am the tiger of Amago. No man challenges me and lives to tell the tale.
I know my husband. You are a great warrior, a king in the battlefield. The fear that grips his enemies. Dimoma, tell me, what is it?
Okelue is overstepping his bounds. And I will have no other choice than to keep the ties of brotherhood aside and deal with him.
Chakwa. Is it about the land at Amago?
Yes. He has refused to let go of that land.
What is it?
Oh no.
Dim, I know you very well. You never lose any battle. If you allow Okelue win this battle, that means you will lose your respect in this community and that of your family.
That can never happen. I will not let that happen. I will do everything possible to take that land. He is not even aware that I am ready to do everything possible to take it. That is the most fertile land that we have. And I was not even in support of my father giving the land to him in the first place. I was not.
Mana, what do you plan to do now?
I will deal with him. Do not worry. Don't worry.
I'm so bad. I'm a female. I'm so bad.
Mbing, now that you have eaten, I believe you have the strength to tell me everything that happened at the farm today. Because what you were telling me earlier with eyes of hunger, I did not understand it.
It's my brother again.
Yeah.
He came with his troubles today. But I told him I am not afraid of him.
This is your brother. Why is he so bent on giving so much trouble? It's about the land again, okay? If you give him that land, where are we supposed to feed from?
John, ask me. He has always been jealous of me. But I did not expect it to go to this extent of being foolish. Because this is pure foolishness. And I will not allow it. I will not, never.
Ubim, you and I know that your brother is a dangerous man. Please, I want you to be very careful.
I know it's dangerous. I know. But he does not know how dangerous I can also be. Because a man that has nothing to lose is very dangerous. And I will tell him that I am that dangerous man. I will tell him.
Mama, I still insist you should be very careful. He's evil. You know that, and I know that too.
Name. Why, Yoma? I know he's evil, but I'm not afraid of him. If I leave him, he will take that land. How are we going to be feeding? See, I know what to do. Yes, I know what to do. I will go to Uncle house. He's our uncle. And he's also a member of Council of Elders. And I will report the matter to him. That's what I will do.
Okay, Louis. Are you sure of what you just told me?
No, I am very sure. He came to the land today to warn me never to come back to that land.
Enokwa. Was he drunk or something? Because I know your father shared his property well between both of you. So why will your brother suddenly have interest in your own portion of your father's property? Huh?
Nah, that's why I'm here. That is why I'm here, so that you will help me talk to him. I don't want problems with him. You know I'm a peaceful person. I don't want problems with Naibiko. Help me talk to him. That is why I came to you, so that we can find a peaceful resolution to this.
You did the right thing. Okay, Louis. You did the right thing. See, we must maintain the peace in this family. Because where there is no peace, there's no progress. Your father and I never had any problems when our father shared his land amongst us. So why will you and your brother have a problem over your own inheritance? I will speak to Obuneme. I'll talk to him. Then I will call for a meeting so that we can resolve this very well. But peace is very important.
I
know. I was there when your father shared all the properties. So don't worry, everything will be sorted out. How is your wife and your daughter?
They are fine.
I would have offered you palm wine, but I just finished it the last day. Okay, Louis came to see me. He laid a complaint against you. This is a very serious matter.
What did the fool come to complain to you about?
Abumneme, you should know what he came to complain about. He said you came to his land and threatened him. You told him to stay away from his land.
That brother of mine is so intent on self-destruction. He really wants to destroy himself.
Abuname, I want to know why you are so bent on that land. Why do you want to cause confusion by demanding for that land. You and I know that your father gave that land to your brother. So why? Your lands are bigger than his. So why are you concerned about that particular one?
Because it is very fertile. Mazio Konta, it is very fertile. That land is the most fertile land in the whole of Amago. And I should have it all to myself. Because I am the first son. I am the first son.
You see, I understand where you are coming from. I understand. Because sometimes it is not good for the junior one to be doing better than the first one. Or that it's not always good. But what you are asking for, it's a difficult task. It's a difficult task.
Well, you've always had your way of helping me as your contact.
You see, Obunnema, I like you. It is not just that I'm your uncle, but there's this bond between us. That is why I like doing things for you. Your brother wants me to report the matter to the Council of Elders. But I'm going to try and sort it out in-house. Let us sort it out as a family. Because the others will not speak on the matter if I in particular, have not spoken on it. Okay. So what we are going to do is this. You know that if you want that land, you have to give something in return. You cannot take that land and leave your brother empty-handed. So what you are going to do is, you are going to insist that your brother is mistaken, that the land was not given to him to own. You understand now?
Okay. Okay.
That you as the first son will give him land, that the land belongs to you, that your father asked him to be farming on it. It is not that he has given it outrightly to him. Okay, you understand now?
Okay.
So that you will now give him another portion, maybe something even bigger to calm him down, so that you can now have access to that one. You understand? So I, in terms, will now stand by you, Imogen.
Please. Okay. It's fine. No problem. I trust your judgment. I will keep to my own path.
Give it to me. Okay. You give. Don't you have any palm wine in this your house? Okay, Louis. I do not know why you and your brother will be arguing and having a misunderstanding over your family land. You brought a complaint to me, and I have spoken to your brother. I now got to find out that it is a misunderstanding, a minor misunderstanding, that what he said or what he is saying is different from what you heard or what you think he heard. What your brother explained to me is that the land you are farming on, that your father gave it to you to farm on, not to take as your own property. That your father did not actually share things. So that he now, as the first son, wants the properties to be shared properly, so that you will get your own share and he will get his own share. That is what he's trying to say, but you misunderstood what he said and his intentions.
Thank you, Mazio Konta. You have spoken well. I am a compassionate brother, and there is no way I will sit back and watch my brother and his family starve to death. So that is why I have decided, I have decided to give you that land at Ekpa, so that you can take as your own. Leave it.
I don't understand what you people are saying. Ahotaram. Yeah, like the land my father gave me. Wait, I'm confused here. The land my father gave me. Uncle, you were there. You were there. You witnessed everything. I should leave it to my brother simply because he's my elder brother.
Okay, Louis, reduce your voice. It is not something that you will be shouting. This is a family meeting, a gathering of brothers. And you are shouting, you are raising your voice for our people outside to hear. Look, let me explain something to you. In the way things are, when a father did not properly share his properties, it is the duty of the first son to share those properties so that you will have your own and he will have his own. And that is what your brother is saying. Even the land he told you to take in Nepa is 2 times bigger than the one he's telling you to leave. You should be actually happy that your brother... Listen, in the absence of your father, the father you now see, the father you know, is your brother Obunneme. He is the king of the family, so every other person is under him. What he says stands. So you have to take the one in Nepa so that there will be peace.
Now, this is absolutely nonsense. My own land. I should leave it for him.
My friend, shut up your mouth here and do not insult Mazi Okonta and me. Narada, why? See, no, Mazi, Chalo. I gave you the land that Ipa because I was very compassionate. Nanya, you make me change my mind. I don't want to feed anybody in the dry season.
Hold on. This is not what you brothers should be shouting and pointing hands at each other. Okay, Louis, listen. Take the voice of reason. Listen to the voice of reason. Your brother has given you the land at Eba, which is bigger. Accept that land. You are the one now who does not want peace in this family from the way things are going.
This is what you want to say. This is what the both of you want to say. I will take this matter to the Council of Elders myself. Since you, even you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Louis.
Thank you.
How did it go? What happened? Why is your face like this?
Can you imagine Nayo Kunta? Nayo Kunta is supporting Obunneme, my brother, to take my land from me.
Yeah. What do you expect from a man who has the title of sleeping with all the widows in Amago, who at this age has no wife or children? 9 birds of the same feather flock together.
Hi! They think this matter will end there. But they think I will just fold my hand and allow this matter to end. I will take this matter myself to the Council of Elders. Yes. How you get me?
Better. This is the best solution. Obunneme, your brother, he's very evil. Over there, he's going to meet his match.
Hi! Nayo Kunta is evil.
Very evil.
He's an evil man.
More than evil.
And his evil will remain with him.
He say, if that is a prayer, he say, that's your brother, Obunneme. Obunneme.
Mazi Okonta is a very good man. A very good man and a friend.
Yes, I know. But what are we going to do if Okelwe reports this matter to the Council of Elders?
That is where the problem lies. Mazi Okonta will not be able to help me if it comes to that. I should be able to do something to stop him from getting to the Council of Elders.
Eziokwu. That means we have to do what must be done if you really want the land.
What do you think is that thing that must be done?
I think it's time to send him home if you must take the land.
He is my brother. You're not suggesting I kill my brother, are you?
That means you are not serious. Other again pan. The child believe on. Ogenidi. Ogenidi. Why are you shouting and running towards me like a mad woman?
My co-wife. I just wanted to greet you. It has been long I saw you with my 2 eyes. You don't go kwaro.
What is it? What's with the greetings? Do I owe you anything?
Madi Obuskwagi, what is the problem? Are we quarreling?
Yes, we are. And yes, if not the goodie, what the guy said. Since your husband has refused to leave that land for my husband, we are quarreling.
Hey, we are not supposed to be quarreling. Your husband and my husband are on their own path. Let us not imitate them by quarreling like them. We are peacemakers.
Ugodia, whatever they call you.
Ugodia, that's what they call
but
me.
Jide, my husband and I are on the same path. Whatever he does, I will support him. Tell your husband to leave that land for my husband. Else!
Hey.
Your brother has reported this matter to the Council of Elders. This is beyond me now. The reason this matter was not discussed today was because there's a case we are handling there. By the next meeting, the next time the elders sit, this matter is what is going to be discussed.
Okelu has finally decided to bite more than he can chew. He really wants to throw away his life because of a mere piece of land. I see. So, Wadra.
Abunama. Whatever you want to do, if you still want that land, whatever you want to do, you have to do it fast. Because the Council of Elders cannot be swayed. When they see something, they follow it through. They say it the way it is. So,
I will do something, and that is what I must do. I will show him why the people of Amago, they are afraid of me and my trouble. Why is your face like that? Did you have any fight with anybody?
Is it not that stupid woman Ugodia? She stopped me on my path and started spilling all sorts of rubbish.
Okelu and his wife. As if Goni, and you've seen it. So my wife and I will no longer have peace because of Okelu and his wife. Don't worry, I know what to do. Go and keep doing.
Whatever you must do it fast. I do not want to lose my seat at the Council of Elders. That seat is very important to me. Because once they start it,
that woman is not different from her husband. She's even worse. She did not even allow me to say pim pim on Uchalo. She started quarreling immediately.
What do you expect?
Hi.
What do you expect? She's even worse. And I believe she's the one that is giving her husband the wrong advice and be supporting his evil doings.
May the gods forbid. May the gods of our land save us from evil people.
No, don't worry. The Council of Elders has already put this matter in their agenda. Soon they will call us to settle the matter. Then everything will be sorted out. Don't worry. Oh?
I hope so too. Well, do you know why we were talking earlier? I heard your stomach saying, Ugodi ayemuni, Ugodi ayemuni. Let me go and prepare something for you. We don't need him.
Aye.
Ogidiga, the toad does not run in the daytime for nothing. It is either it is chasing something or something is chasing it. So my visit to you is born out of necessity.
I can see you have come to the solution of your problem. No matter what the problem might be, say it, and the great Ogwe will solve it.
My brother is my problem. Yes. He has refused to allow me take what rightfully belongs to me.
Ogwe knows the truth. You seek what does not belong to you. You don't like losing. And you are ready to do everything it will cost to take it by force.
You've said it all. You have said it all, Ogidiga. So you have to help me. Help me to take him out of the way so that I can get what I want.
I will do as you've said. But remember, his blood will be on your hands. He has a very strong spirit. No man can harm him unless he has offended that man.
No, Ogidiga, no, I cannot accept that. I cannot. Kill his chi and kill him. I will give you whatever you want.
Listen. This is a fight you shouldn't have started.
Makaginize, yeah? Well, he's not the first person he has killed for you. So why is this one different?
He said that he's too strong. That no man, nobody can kill him spiritually when he has not erred.
So what do we do now? Eh? That meeting cannot hold. Because if it does, you will lose. And you know what that means.
I do. I know what it means. More reason why I will not allow it to happen. But the problem is, how?
You said his chi is so strong and he cannot be killed spiritually. Then I think we should go physical.
What are you suggesting, woman?
Let me tell you. You said the Dibia told you he cannot be killed spiritually. Since he cannot be killed spiritually, that means he can be killed physically. Hey, you are a warrior. Take up your sword. Do what you know how to do best. Mami Bienka.
Okay, Lue.
Abuname.
One name.
What are you doing in my home?
My brother. I came to make peace with you. Huh? You are my brother. See, there is no need we quarreling over a piece of land. So that is why I came.
I was not the one that started it. You started all these things. By wanting to take what is rightfully mine.
I know, huh? I know. And that is why I came to end it. Listen, there is no need we quarreling. Let's bring back the peace that we used to have as one big family. And you see that land? It is yours. I'll leave it for you. It's your own. And see, don't worry. I am happy you even fought for it like a man that you are.
You know I don't like problems. I don't like trouble. Let's return the peace that we used to be in this family. Thank you very much. Wait, let me go inside and find cola nut for you.
No, it's okay. Don't worry. I'll come back for that one.
No,
Rapo. I will come back. See, and we'll have that cola over a sweet jar of palm wine.
Hi.
So let me go. I have more pressing needs to attend to. When I come back, we'll do it.
Album name. Ndewo, may your chi guide you. Oh,
He say, "Bega Mokazuko."
if you gonna, if you gonna, this is my brother. I know my brother. Why your mouth?
Okay. I still think you should be careful. This might be a new strategy.
I no fear when I see one. All I can see in his eyes is fear. He knows he will lose when we sit under the council of elders. And he understands and knows the consequences of losing. He decided to rethink of his stupidity. I know my brother.
You and I know that this same brother of yours is evil and cunning and cannot be trusted. Obin, be careful.
Ne. Oma. I will always be careful. I will. Besides, I have to resume cultivation before the rain begins to pour.
Biko. If possible, avoid that land for now until we know what his aim is first. Until we discover his strategy. That is the only way you can go back to that land.
Woman! I already told you what it is all about. As you can see, it's fear. It's fear. You don't have to worry. Besides, we don't have all the time to put our seedlings on the ground. Why are you scared? Relax, okay? Oh. Atuzinegun. Hi, Oma. He's my brother. I know him.
Okay, Louis.
Album?
Now.
One more.
You have already cleared the whole place and burnt it.
I'm even tilling the soil.
One
Thank you so much. I really appreciate
actually, I was heading to Gezu's place when I saw you.
Okay.
When I come back to greet you, you see, let me
greet now you Gezu for me.
One more.
father back?
No, he's not back. You did not see him in the farm.
Wait for me, I am coming. Eh? I go Gillian.
Hey. Hey.
Madia! Madia! Madia!
Again, what is it? Why are you shouting and why do you look worried?
It's my husband. He went to the farm since morning. And he has not come back. I've not seen him with my 2 eyes.
Since morning? Are you sure he went to the farm?
Mandy, I am very sure. I even went there to search for him. The only thing I saw was his hole.
Hey, this is strange.
He's your husband. I want to report this matter to him.
My husband is not around. He went out. And he has not returned.
Let me go to Mazio Konta and report it to him since your husband is not around. Hey.
How can you make such a mistake? Yeah? You should have buried him with his hoe. Now it will raise suspicion. Who knows, they might even trace him to you.
Calm down, woman. Calm down. I'll put everything under control, don't worry.
You better do.
Hey, what are you saying? I don't understand you.
Nine. I waited for my husband to return from the farm, but I did not see him. I now decided to go to the farm and search for him. I did not see him. The only thing I saw was his hole. I searched everywhere. Now I think my husband is missing.
Calm down. Your husband cannot go missing. You saw his hole.
Yes.
It's possible. Sometimes people walk in the farm. They'll keep their hose somewhere and go some other place. But see, I will go and talk to Obuneme so that we will mobilize the youths and go into the farmlands and search for him. I believe he must have gone somewhere, but all the same, we will search for him. Huh?
Nine. Please let me join you people in the search.
Go home. Stop panicking. Listen. Go home. Go and be with your daughter. You cannot just leave her out and go. Maybe by the time you get home, your husband will be back. Just go home. If he is back, send word to us so that we will not be searching in vain in the farmlands. But all the same, wherever he is, he will come back. People from my family don't go missing. We will find him. Just go home. Go home. People from my family don't go missing. We'll find him. Buname, are you stupid? Why? No. Why did you have to do it yourself? You should have sent people to do it. You shouldn't have done it yourself.
I couldn't risk my secret being with someone else. So I had to do what must be done myself, Mase.
And now you have to finish what you started.
How do you mean? He's already dead. Ungo.
He is dead, but his wife lives. So, don't you know she will stop at nothing to find out where her husband is and what has happened to him? Use your sense. I thought you had sense.
As in, why you are knowing now?
Listen, if you really want to bury this thing, you have to bury her too.
But is she that strong?
What kind of stupid question is this? Use your sense, use your head. Listen, what do you think will happen if she decides to go and see the Ezemo or consult a spiritualist to find out where her husband is or what has happened to her? Your name will come up. And once your name comes up, you'll be forced to swear before the oracle. And once you swear before the oracle, you are finished. End this as quickly as possible. Bury her. I warned you, but you never listened. My hands are clean. I am not involved. If you know where you've taken your bath, go and collect your clothes there. Imanebe Sararo, Chachiro Godogi. Come on, there.
Norma! Bia. Norma, woman. Do not go anywhere. Sit here and wait for your mother. I want to go and look for your father myself.
No, let me go with you.
My child, please do not go anywhere. Sit down here and wait for me. I want to go to the Council of Elders. You know, go. Not off, ma.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
It is done. No one is remaining in Okelwe's home. You can now go and have whatever you want.
Ikolo, thank you, wise one. I warned him, but he refused to listen to me.
But be warned, your brother's spirit is wandering. And now his wife's spirit is also wandering. He has a strong chi, and he will not rest until you join them.
I cannot die yet, wise one. When I have not enjoyed all that I labored for.
You must cage their spirits, starting with your brother's spirit. And you must do it now. For if you delay and their spirits unite in the other world, that will be your doom.
How do I do that, great one? How? Keka Messi, help me out. Tell me how I can do that.
I'll give you something you need to use to do it. You must do it now.
Kerkime, how are you?
I'm fine.
Sit down. Oh?
Mama. What is she doing here?
I had no other choice. There's nowhere she could go to, so I had to bring her so that we can take care of her.
Eh? That's not a good reason for you to bring her here. You should have taken her somewhere else, even if it's Okonta's hut.
We both know Mazi Okonta has no wife or a child. And there's no way he can take care of her. So I had to bring her. It's just for the meantime. When she grows up, we'll marry her off.
No, Lebe. Go to the back, let's go and cook. Stop. Come on. Come and carry your bag. Then what's this up? Come.
Kerkime, come and greet your father. How are you? You go on.
Come on. You've just wasted my water. Stand up from there. Go and carry the pot. Go to the stream and fetch water.
Oh, the pot is too heavy for me to carry.
How is that my business? Yeah? How is that my business? Listen very attentively. If you carry my pot and break it, hey! If you break my pot, eh? Stand up. Go and fetch water. If you break my pot, eh? I don't want.
Greetings. What are you doing here with this heavy pot all by yourself?
Thank the gods you're here. Please help me put this water on my head. I need to get home before you start looking for me.
But why will she give you this heavy pot to carry all by yourself? Eh? If I let you carry this thing, you will break it before you could get home. Don't worry. Give me. Let me take it home for you. Hmm?
Thank you so much. May the gods bless you.
You say, Ngwa, let's go.
Norma, what took you so long? Do you want my daughter to die of thirst before you come back?
Nay, it's not her fault. You know this pot is too heavy for her to carry. And no one was there to help her until I came. Just take it easy on her, oh?
Thank you, my dear. May the gods bless you for helping her.
You say...
You know, I've told this girl to stop carrying this heavy pot, but she will not listen. I'm not on the fault, no?
Norma, next time, do not carry this heavy pot all by yourself. It's too heavy for you. Nem, I have to go now. Take care of yourself.
Norma. That looks so. Come here. Come here. So I sent you to fetch water for me. You went and brought help. Shalom, man. Shalom, enough. Carry this thing. Carry this pot. Go to Ezu River. Do not go to Ngene River again. Go to Ezu River and fetch me water. In Amia, carry this pot.
But the Ezu River is too far for me. And besides, the pot is too heavy for me to carry alone.
Mama, so you now question me in my own house? Hey! Carry this pot. Also, go to the river. And if you waste my time, you will not eat in the next 3 market days. I'm off, yeah.
Please give me the leftover. I've not eaten since morning. I'm starving, please.
I will do no such thing. I'd rather pour the food away than to give it to you, you witch. No. Now eat it.
So this is what you've been going through in your uncle's house?
Yes, mine.
Yay! So you've not eaten up to this moment?
Yes.
Well, why will your uncle not give you food? Huh? Okay, Nne, what will happen is this, I'll get you something to eat. Oh? Once you're done eating, I will take you back to your uncle's house. Let me see him and know what is wrong with him. Why will he deny you food? Huh? Is it wrong? Wait, let me get something for you to eat. This is unacceptable. Why would you be starving a girl like that? Look, I will not accept that. No. I was going to
Mazi, you also planned all that happened. So please, stop acting the good person here.
Listen, I know what I did, but I never agreed to starving a little girl. She is just a small girl. You should know this, that she is now your daughter. She's living under your roof. Don't try this again. When she's hungry, feed her. What will it cost you?
You cannot come to my house and tell me how to run it, Mazi Okunta. You actually should respect yourself. Return that respect and don't involve yourself in anything that does not concern you.
This concerns me, Obumneme. It concerns me. I will not warn you again. Feed that girl. Do not starve her. I do not want any complaint from her. If you do not want to accept her as your daughter, I will accept her as my daughter. After all, you have taken everything that belongs to her father. So what will giving her a small portion of food cost you? And mind how you talk to me. In Hanoi.
Now, get me some water, let me drink. There is water in the pot. You can fetch water from there. I don't want to drink water from the pot. Now, get me some water from the stream, let me drink.
I won't do such thing.
Yeah? You see me? You lie. Eh? So my daughter ordered you to get water for her and you say you not do it. Rush the stream. rush to the stream and get water. In a pussy. No. Hey, my dear. How are you? Yeah, be on foot.
Where are you going with this cup?
I'm going to go and fetch water.
Fetch water? With this cup? How?
Adana told me I should fetch fresh water for her, that she doesn't want to drink the one at home.
Fresh water? She doesn't want to drink the one at home. What did her parents tell her?
Her parents told me I should go. And I've not even eaten since yesterday.
You have not eaten since yesterday?
Yes.
And they asked you to go to the stream and fetch water with this cup? You know what? Come, let's go. Let me go and prepare something for you to eat. These people are very heartless. Let's go.
No, they will kill me.
I will not waste so much of your time. Let's go. So you eat. Then, well, let's eat. Wash your hand.
Hey, don't even try it. Come this side. Come this side.
Madi Ogini. What has she done this time?
Oh. So it is true. Hey, someone told me that she saw Noma in your house. I said, let me come and confirm. So it's true.
And so what? Even if someone told you that Noma is in my house, all of them mad corner. This girl have not eaten since yesterday. Do you want her to die?
How is that your business? How is that your business? If she dies, is she your child?
My dear, what you are doing is not good. This is heart of wickedness.
Listen, let me tell you. You better stop this so foolish and misguided act of kindness towards this girl. Else I will show you what fire does to the ears of a rat. Pick this cup. Go and fetch the water I told you. Come this way. Susan, as for you, I don't have anything to tell you. I'm not power.
Nebiko, I'm starving, I'm hungry. My stomach hurts so badly. Please, help me. Please give me food, let me eat. I've not eaten since yesterday.
You want food?
Yes, Nne, please.
How is that my business? How is that my business? Did I kill your parents? Go and meet your dead parents so they will give you food. I don't have food.
Nne, please. I will die of hunger, please. Help me.
You better leave my sight before I kill you.
Nne, please.
And walk on never. Come on, Zobiko. I'm walking.
have you been? Why did you leave me in this wicked world alone for too long? Please, don't leave me ever again. Let us go home.
My child, I see you in so much pain. As your mother, I am sorry. I'm sorry I could not help you all this time, but I promise you, I have come and I will never leave you. Inugu.
One name, why? My brother, why? Why?
Okay, do Bikonu. Oh, Bikonu. Baalenu mo go dia. Yolum di. Okay, do. Why? You child, why do you call me by my name? Have you lost your sanity?
A man who brought home an ant-infested firewood should not panic when a lizard comes visiting.
The audacity. Did you just speak to me? When did that start?
The evil you wished has arrived at your doorstep.
Oh, Dimma. Keep running your mouth. I don't have your time. I will go and come back. By then I will have your time.
The worst has happened. If you now see them in your dream, that means their spirit has been freed by someone.
Who could have done such thing to me, Ikolo? Mbo, I have to do something before they get to me.
They now have a vessel, and if you want to stop them, you must call back their spirits back into their graves.
How do I do it? Help me out, though.
You cannot do it alone. You will take me to the place you buried your brother. His spirit is still close.
Then let's go at once.
Wait. mmụọ ka mmụọ bịaruola oji. Mmụọ ka mmụọ bịaruola oji. Ana m ekwu na si mmụọ ka mmụọ ya bịaruola oji. You want to dance with the spirits, but you don't have the legs to carry you. Wanzali juafo, ochechi akamba. You wander the earth when you should wander the other world. Okay, Louis.
I shall not rest till my vengeance is complete.
You don't have any vengeance, you angry spirit. Go back to the dead and leave the affairs of the living.
You have no right, you priestess of doom.
Nicolo! Nicolo! Nicolo, Nicolo! Nicolo, piano! What just happened, Nicolo? Give him in.
You did not see what happened. Please count me out. Eh? I told you his chi is too strong and his spirit also. I don't want to die yet, Biko.
Please, but you have to help me, Nicolo. Do it? Biko, no. Help me.
She cannot help you, for your evil has come to dwell with you.
You wandering spirit. Please leave me alone now. I only did what he asked me to do. Leave me alone.
But you did it anyways. The fire of vengeance hears no apology.
Ah!
Norma, what are you doing here unannounced?
Vengeance hears no apology. Okonta, you have failed to be a father when you are privileged to be one. But now you will die for your failure.
Here. What nonsense are you talking about? Huh? Have you lost your senses?
I have lost nothing. Rather, I wore the garment of vengeance.
Norma, did you just call me by my name? Or are you mad?
Your evil knows no bounds. Your heart is darker than that of the witches in a cave. But now, your evil will visit you.
It's obvious this girl has lost her senses. Don't worry, I'll help you reset them.
Mazokunta. 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 Mazgaifo. Mazokunta. Adana. Adana. Madia. Give her money. Adana.
How does it feel to taste from your own cup of evil?
Please, I am very sorry for all I did. Spare my life, please. I'm sorry. Please speak Obalo.
Only your blood can appease this anger in my soul.
Please,
Do not be afraid, my child, for we will always be with you.
Please, stay here with me.
Our mission is complete, but we will always be with you whenever you need us.
Don't worry. Anything you need, just ask and it will be done.
Go to Goma. She will take care of you, my child. Farewell, Adam.